Good morning, my all dear class 12th A students. As in the previous videos of this chapter, we have discussed the meaning and definition of partnership. Then we have discussed the characteristics of partnership, and at last we have discussed the partnership deed. Today, as I have already told you that we will discuss the accounting treatment of partnership. So, recording of partnership transaction. Transactions of the partnership firm are recorded according to the principle of double entry system. Double entry system means debit and credit both sides will be affected. And as in this case, a sole proprietorship concern, a partnership firm will also prepare trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. It will go like just like the sole trade means we have to prepare trading PL balance sheet means we have to prepare our final account, but the profit will be distributed among all the partners. Okay. The only difference between accounting of the sole trade and partnership, usually for this purpose, the profit of as per profit and loss account is transferred to newly opened account named profit and loss appropriation account. Means the profit of profit and loss account will be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account, and in this appropriation account we will distribute the profit among the partners. We will distribute the profit of firm among the partners. If there will be any salary and any commission, any interest, it will also be written in this account. So here is the profit and loss appropriation account. In credit side, we will transfer the profit and loss account from the PL account. We will transfer our net profit. If there will be net loss, it will be transferred here in the debit side. Then all the expenses will be debited, means all the expenses related to the partners will be debited. Salary of partners, commission of partner, interest on capital of partners, any type of reserve, and then interest on drawings, any type of income from the partner will be credited, and at last the balance will be transferred to partner's capital account in their ratio. The general entries for transfer of profit and loss to profit and loss appropriation account, PL account debit to PL appropriation account, this will be the general entry. Entry of interest on capital is an expense, so it will be debited. Interest on capital account debit to partner's capital account. If here comes the interest on drawings will be credited. So the entry will be partner's capital account debit to interest and drawing account. Okay. Now let me directly tell you the difference between profit and loss account and profit and loss appropriation account. Here is the basis of differences, then profit and loss account, then profit and loss appropriation account. First of all, stage of preparation. It is prepared after trading account, and hence it starts with the gross profit disclosed by trading account. Means in profit and loss account we start with gross profit, but in this account we start with net profit because it will be started from profit and loss account. Objective: it is prepared to ascertain the profit and loss of the firm, and it is prepared to transfer or distribute the profit among the partners. Opening and closing balance. This account has neither opening nor closing, but this account may have opening balance as well as closing balance. Charge or appropriation. Expenses debited to the account are charged against profit, and item debited to the account are appropriation of profit. Okay. Partnership agreement. There will be any partnership agreement, it will be shown in this account. Okay. So this is it for today. In the next video, in the upcoming video, we will discuss the accounting treatment or illustration of this chapter, and this chapter will be completed. Till then, we request you all to keep learning, keep studying, and if there is any doubt or any query, you can ask through your Hello Parent app. Our school is always there to help you out in all your needs. Till then,